Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called independent demand used in forecasting. Independent demand refers to the call for an item on its own without any relationship to other item. This contrasts with the dependent demand where the request for one product are dependent on another product. In inventory management, it can be important to determine if a relationship exists between item in stock so they can be controlled appropriately. When levels of dependent item change, companies want to make sure their stock is adequately replenished to meet the need. In an example of independent demand, a furniture company may sell products like couches which are sold independently. People don't need to buy anything else to use a couch, nor do they need to purchase a couch in order to use another item. By contrast, the company may also sell kitchen chairs which are subject to dependent demand. They are usually purchased to go with the kitchen table, which is considered to be a parent item. The practice of selling both items together in most of the cases creates a relationship between the two. Items in inventory is subjected to inventory demand. Independent demand can be viewed on their own when making stocking decisions. Companies order sufficient amount to meet customer need and try to maintain numbers at a reasonable level. If items have a dependent relationship, inventory need to be managed differently. Selling kitchen table with no chairs to go with them won't make a store popular with the customer, nor is it helpful to stock chairs that don't match any of the tables in the stock. Customer demand for a specific products and services can change, and companies need to prepare to be adapt. Independent demand makes products highly subject to the whims of the customer because they are not sold as a part of package deals. Conversely, dependent demand can be more closely controlled and thus can be easier to predict and plan for. Especially the dependent demand are calculated in MRP system in an ERP environment using bill of material. Thanks for watching. Bye.